guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Simran and this is my YouTube channel.
हाँ मैं गुमसुम इन राहों की तरह तेरे ख्वाबों में तेरी ख्वाहिशों में छुपा ना जाने की है रोज़ का सिलसिला तू रूह की है दास्तां तेरे जुल्फों की ये नमी तेरी आँखों का ये नशा यहाँ खो भी जाऊँ तो मैं क्या कसूर है मेरा.
So if you're new here, please go and subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're an existing subscriber, thank you for coming back and watching my video. I really appreciate you all. Thank you. So today's video, the title itself suggests what is the video about. Get ready with me for a photo shoot. So I'll be doing two different photo shoots today in this video. One is the festive look and the other one is pretty basic and minimal look. So without any further blabbering, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. नहीं ऐसे कौन बोलता है? And if you like this video, at the end of watching and if you're an existing subscriber, hi guys, how are you all? And so today's video, the title itself explains, it's about why do I keep forgetting my lines? I should write it next time. It's gonna help me out, right?
क्या है आज का वीडियो?
बहुत प्यास लगी थी. Subscribe to my channel. ऐसा नहीं करना है बीच में, एक बार रख दो फिर बार बार नहीं करना. I'm really glad you guys voted for watching behind the scenes of this video and not the actual tutorial, because that would have been a failure. For primer, I'm using Nika's. So once I'm done applying my cleanser, what else did I apply?
Perfect. Make sure you dab it and not just.
So make sure you dab your product and not spread it, okay?
Look at my dab, bitch down. 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 Get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there.
Oopsie, ज़्यादा निकल गया. Just dab.
सैया संग डैब करूंगी, सैया संग डैब करूंगी, सैया संग डैब करूंगी, सैया संग डैब, सैया संग डैब करूंगी, सैया संग डैब करूंगी, सैया संग डैब करूंगी.
Okay, I kind of zoned out there and I was thinking, is this even worth it? But it do be like that sometimes. After my base is ready, I'd like to... I dropped my translucent powder all over my blouse, so guys, never wear your actual outfit while doing makeup. This is the sole reason why I avoid doing makeup tutorials where I have to speak. Using this eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty.
Beauty bronzer, beauty bronzer. When this Huda Beauty bronzer, oh.
I have no clue why I started whispering instead of speaking out loud. I'm just weird like that. It is very easy to cancel out the background noise by putting music to your videos, and by background noise, not just the surroundings. but also the excess noise made by your family members. My nephew tried to annoy me while I was applying eyeliner and I lost my temper. आ रही हूँ जा यहाँ से आ रही हूँ. I did apologize to him for my behavior, but he also learned a lesson to never annoy me while I'm applying eyeliner. To be very honest, I'm not a big fan of falsies and thick eyeliner. It kind of gives me headache and I can't explain why. But I can't deny the fact that it makes my eyes look 10 times prettier. I'm done with my makeup here, and that thinking just changes the whole mood. I'm quickly gonna set my hair, accessorize, and no, I did not wear a sari for this photo shoot. It's just a dupatta that I chose to pair up with off-shoulder top, and I'm wearing ridiculous bottoms because I plan on not to shoot anything that captures below my waist. For clicking pictures, I tend to record video and take screenshots from it. And it turns out pretty good every time. Here, I'm done with my look 1. Let's move on to look 2. For this outfit, I had to change my makeup a little. But that took me an hour or so and I'm running really late. I thought of taking pictures on the terrace and sun is about to set. Let's see how it goes. So this is our terrace and we don't have much options here. My plan was to shoot with clouds as my background, but sky is clear today. And this day is not going in my favor. I'm already really late, lighting is bad because sun is about to set and I have no clue where I'm gonna do my setup. Okay, so I'm planning to climb up there, like there, and I can already see moon. I hope pictures turn out to be good.
If I had a chance, I'd take it faster than a heartbeat. If I caught a glance, I'd run to you like nobody was watching. But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so far.
So yeah, I was on my terrace and shooting for my YouTube video, and there's this auntie and she's like, what are you doing on terrace? And I'm like, auntie, I'm just recording a video. And she goes like, तो अपने घर पे जाके करो. And I'm like, ये public terrace है तो मैं अपने घर पे जाके क्यों करूँ? And she started arguing with me for like no apparent reason, like legit no apparent reason. I have to go. My mom's calling exam tomorrow. Please remind me to write my exam. जो भी अभी लाइव पे हो प्लीज़ मेरे को रिमाइंड कराना, कल मेरी एग्ज़ाम है, मेरे को लिखना है. I have my German exam. मैंने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है. My mom dad are really mad at me because so yeah, I have to go run. Bye. Have a good day. I mean have a good night. Bye. These were the 2 videos for today. Thank you for watching. Go click good pictures, and if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, go check out my Instagram. If you don't follow me already, go follow me on Instagram. Thank you.